Inspire 3 supports dual control mode, which allows 2 pilots to operate an aircraft simultaneously with remote controllers. Before using dual control mode, the aircraft needs to be linked with both remote controllers. Launch DJI Pilot 2. Enter the home screen and tap Controller A or Controller B to activate linking. During linking, the status LED of the remote controller will blink blue, and the remote controller will beep. Press and hold the power button on the aircraft for at least 5 seconds. The aircraft power indicator will blink and beep twice to indicate that linking has started. When linking is successful, the remote controller status LED turns solid green. The remote controller beeps twice. When a remote controller gains control of the aircraft, the user can use the controller to operate the aircraft. When a remote controller gains control of the gimbal camera, the user can use the controller to operate the movement of the gimbal camera. After both remote controllers are linked and connected with the aircraft, the remote controller A, connected with the aircraft, gains control of both the aircraft and the gimbal camera by default. When the remote controller A has control of a device, the pilot can control the device by pushing the control sticks, turning the dial, pressing the shortcut buttons, or tapping the app screen. Press the aircraft control button on the remote controller A once, and press the aircraft control button on the remote controller B to gain control of the aircraft. Tap the icon on the camera view in the app to gain control of the gimbal camera. When the remote controller gains control of the aircraft, press and hold the aircraft control button to lock the control. The aircraft control button will turn blue when control is locked. An aircraft control transfer mechanism will be triggered if the remote controller with aircraft control is disconnected from the aircraft. When this happens, the connected remote controller will receive a notification that the pilot may manually take over aircraft control. If the pilot of the connected remote controller chooses not to take over aircraft control, the aircraft will automatically perform the fail-safe action. If the pilot of the connected remote controller does not choose either option within a specified time period, the aircraft will also perform the fail-safe action.